There's the target. Swipe the screen, tap right fire button to shoot. Congratulations on defeating your enemies. Your enemy's supplies are inside. Check the crate. Pick up the scope. The enemy is too far. Use tap left fire button to shoot. You took them down. Nice work. Great work. Let's take a look at the rewards. Check the crate. Pick up the supplies. Health. The bandage can only restore up to 75 points of health. The blue zone has appeared. Tap the map to check the flashing blue area, the flashing yellow area, the blue. Tap the button to close the map. The play zone is about to shrink. Get to the play zone as soon as possible. You've made it this far. Finish off the rest to claim victory. Congratulations on completing this training. Head over to the main lobby to claim your reward and test your skills in our real match.